In recent years, AI models have revolutionized the creative industry by providing designers with powerful tools to generate high quality visuals and concepts. One such AI model is DALL-E 2, a language based image generation model developed by OpenAI. DALL-E 2 can generate realistic images based on text inputs, making it a versatile tool for designers across various fields. In this video, we will explore 10 creative ways to use DALL-E 2 for design, including concept art, branding, web design, social media graphics, packaging design, fashion design, and much more. Let's dive in and discover how DALL-E 2 can transform the way we approach design. Number 1, concept art. Concept art is an important step in the design process for many creative projects, from video games and movies to illustrations and comics. DALL-E 2 can generate high quality concept art based on your descriptions of characters, environments, and props. This can save your time and effort in the design process and provide inspiration for further development. Number 2, branding. A strong brand identity is essential for any business. DALL-E 2 can help you create unique logos and branding elements that reflect your company's values and style. Simply describe the colors, shapes, and styles you want, and DALL-E 2 will generate a logo that matches your description. You can use this logo on your website, business cards, social media channels, and other marketing materials. Number 3, web design. A visually appealing website is key to attracting and retaining visitors. DALL-E 2 can help you create high-quality graphics and illustrations for your website. Simply describe the elements you want, such as icons, buttons, and illustrations, and DALL-E 2 will create them for you. This can save you time and effort in the web design process and make your website stand out from the crowd. Number 4, social media graphics. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing and engagement. DALL-E 2 can help you create eye-catching graphics and illustrations for your social media channels. Simply describe the style, colors, and message you want to convey, and DALL-E 2 will create the perfect image for your post. This can increase engagement with your audience and help you stand out in a crowded social media landscape. Number 5, packaging design. Product packaging plays an important role in attracting customers and conveying your brand identity. DALL-E 2 can help you create unique packaging designs that stand out from the competition. Simply describe the product, its features, and the message you want to convey, and DALL-E 2 will create a packaging design that matches your description. This can help you increase sales and brand recognition. Number 6, fashion design. Fashion designers need to constantly come up with new designs that capture the latest trends and styles. DALL-E 2 can help you generate fashion designs for clothing and accessories. Simply describe the style, colors, and patterns you want, and DALL-E 2 will create a unique fashion design that matches your description. This can save you time and effort in the design process and provide inspiration for further development. Number 7, interior design. Interior designers need to create realistic and visually appealing concepts for their clients. DALL-E 2 can help you generate interior design concepts for rooms and spaces. Simply describe the styles, colors, and layout you want, and DALL-E 2 will create a realistic 3D image of the space. This can help you present your designs to clients and make changes before starting the actual construction process. Number 8, product design. Industrial and consumer product designers need to create a unique and functional products that stand out in the market. DALL-E 2 can help you generate product designs based on your descriptions of the product, its features, and the message you want to convey. This can save you time and effort in the design process and provide inspirations for further development. Number 9, game design. Video game designers need to create high-quality art and assets for their games. DALL-E 2 can help you generate game art and assets based on your descriptions of the characters, environments, and objects you want. This can save you time and effort in the game design process and provide inspiration for further development. Number 10, book covers. Book covers play an important role in attracting readers and conveying the tone and theme of a book. DALL-E 2 can help you generate book cover designs based on your descriptions of the story, the characters, the design, and the setting of your book. In conclusion, DALL-E 2 is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the way designers approach this work. Its ability to generate high-quality visuals based on text inputs can save designers time and effort in the design process and provide inspiration for further development. Whether you're a concept artist, fashion designer, or game designer, DALL-E 2 can help you bring your ideas to life. As AI models continue to advance, we can expect to see more exciting developments in the creative industry. So don't be afraid to explore the new technologies and push the boundaries of design. And that's it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.